Started now. Mute the microphone. Exercise 9.2. Exercise 9.2. 9.2. Write all the factors of. 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 Write on this. Fifth one we have done. Sixth one. Write all the factors of. 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 First, A 3PQ. Write all the factors of 3PQ. Write all the factors of 3PQ. Correct. See, in factors and multiple chapter, we have already studied the factors and multiple. Now this part should not be written. What are the factors of 12? Tell me, what are the factors of 12? This red part should not be written. No. See, factors of 12 are, first we start with 1, then 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So write, no need to write. So write on this. So similarly, factors of, what is clear, right? Factors of 3PQ. 1 minute. Factors of 3PQ. Wait. Factors of 3PQ. 1 minute. Factors of 3PQ. Now it is clear, right? Factors of 3PQ. Now which number you can see in that? Which one number is 3, correct? Then other is P. One is 3, other is P, and other number is Q. Circle. So write down factors of 3PQ. 1 minute, my dear, 1 minute. Factors of 3PQ. No, wait, no. Why? My dear, why I have circled? There is a reason, because you want to find the factors. Wait. You want to find the factor of 3PQ. So first, I will write one factor. Write down. So write down factor with one term. Write down factor with one term. Right. Factors with one term. Factors with one term. Factors with one term means you have to write down only single number. 3 is a factor. Then P is a factor, comma P, comma Q. 3PQ, 3 comma P comma Q. They are single term factor. They are single term factor. Then factor with two terms. Factors with two terms together. 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 So now you have to wait. Factor with one term means you have to take. Factor with one term means you have to take each number separately. 3PQ means 3 into P into Q. So that will be 3 is a factor, P is a factor, Q is a factor with one term. Then factor with two term. Now you take two terms together. So how you will take two terms together? See, first I will take 3P, 3P, then what is next? Then I will vary 3 with Q. 3p, then 3q, then which other? Yes. Ha. 3p, 3p, then 3q, then pq. PQ. PQ is same as QP. No. PQ is same as QP, so I will not write QP because AB is same as BA in mathematics. Put the arrow. Then factor with now factor with 3 terms together. Factors with 3 terms together. Factors with 3 terms together. Factors with 3 terms together. 3 terms together. Factors with 3 terms together. So 3 terms together means which number? Yes? 3pq. So answer is 3pq. Answer is 3pq. My dear, simple language we are using. 3 terms together means 3pq. 3 terms together means 3pq. Comma means the 3pq is a number. So we write together means there is a multiplication. 3pq. So now my dear, factor with 1 term with factor with 1 term is 3pq. 3 is a factor, p is a factor, q is a factor with 1 term. Then factor with 2 terms, I will take 2 terms together, 3p, 3q and pq. Then factor with 3 terms together, that will be 3pq. 3q. No, my dear. See here. 3q is here. 1 term can also be factor, no? Now 3q is same as q3. 3q is same as q3, so I will not write q3. So write factors of 1 minute. Factors of 3pq. 1 minute. Factors of 3pq. Factors of, now it is clear. Factors of 3pq. Final factors of 3pq are, now I will write all the factors together. So first it is 3, then it is p, then it is q, then 2 terms together also 3p, then 3q, then pq, and last it is 3pq. So these all are factors of 3pq. So this is my final answer. These all are factors of 3pq. These all are factors. This is the 9.26 first question. So this is my final answer. Box banana. You have to make the box. Yes. So this is the final answer. Factor of 3pq are 3 factor with 1 term 3p. Because in mathematics AB is same as BA. AB same as BA. So 3q is same as q3. 3p is same as p3. So we don't write again. 3p is same as p3. q3 is same as 3q. So we write once. We write once only. Is it clear? Then my dear, 1 is always a factor. 1 is always a factor. So that 1 is a trivial factor that we do not consider. No, there is no need to write 1. There is no need to write 1. You can write 1, no problem. But 1 is a trivial factor. 1 is always a factor of any number. 1 is always a factor of any number, and any number is a factor of that same number. So 1 and that, yes, 1 and that number, they are the trivial factors. So that we don't write trivial factors. Now second B 7y. 7y, what you will write? Yes, what are the factors? Tell me. No, what are the factors? Factors, no, factor with one term 7 comma y, then 7 comma y comma 7y, these three are factors. 7 comma y comma 7y, factor with one term 7 and y, factor with two terms 7y. This is the answer. Then C, this is the answer. Write directly. No, my dear, first question I have written directly. You can directly write this answer. I have written everything for your understanding purpose. Minus 9 upon 5 lm. Minus 9 upon 5 lm. What are the factors? Yes, tell me. What are the factors? Minus 9. Minus 9. Yes. 1 minute. Minus 9 upon 5 is one factor. Then factor with one term, L is also factor, M is also factor. Then you take factor with two term. So minus 9 upon 5 L will be one term with factor with two terms. Minus 9 upon 5 M. Then LM will be one factor. Then finally minus 9 upon 5 LM. Minus 9 upon 5 LM. This is the last factor. So you can directly write factor with one term, factor with two term, factor with three term. If there are two terms, factor with two term you have to write. If there are three terms, factor with three terms you have to write. So this is the answer. Yes. Does not matter. Fourth term, then you can write fourth term. Let it be fourth term. Then fourth is D phi a b square. D. Mute the microphone, my dear. Phi a b square. Phi a b square. I can write 5 into a b square. I can write b into b. B square I can write b into b. Are you getting? So there are four terms in this. There are four terms. So what you will write the factors? You will write the factors. Factor with one term. So what is that? Factor with one term. 5 a b. No, b again you will not write. B you will not write again. Phi a b. No, next part. So factor with one term phi a b. Now factor with two term. Factor with two term will be phi a and phi b. Factor with two term is phi a, phi b. Then ab. Yes, ab. Then ab. Then b into b. B into b. No. B into b, that is nothing but b square. B into b is nothing but b square. B into b is nothing but yes, tell me. Yes. Then factor with two term phi b, then ab, then b into b, b square. Then tell me, factor with two term over. Now factor with three term, that will be phi ab, then again phi ab already written, then phi bb, that is phi b square. No, it is AB square is only for B. Cap is only to B, not the whole term. Then 5B square, then AB, then AB square is also there. ABB, that is AB square. ABB, that is AB square. Factor with 3 terms. Now, yes, now AB square is there, then BAB, that is same as AB square, then 5AB square last, factor with 4 terms, 5ABB, that is 5AB square. Write on this answer. Factor with 4 terms. Clear? Factor with 4 terms. Then 7th, write the numeral coefficient of. Write the numeral coefficient of. My dear board is clear. Very much clear board. Write the yes. Thank you. Arey, my dear board is clear. Yes, board is clear because I am checking simultaneously, no. So when you say it is not clear, I go and check it, and then only I give the answer. Without checking, I don't give the answer. Now write 7. Write the numeral coefficient of. Write the numeral. Numeral means where that line upper one, B into B is equal to B square. See, for 2 terms I have taken 5A, 5B, then B into B, then AB. That way I have shown the calculation. Nothing. Write the numerical. Write the numerical. Numerical means number. Numerical means number. Right. Write the numerical coefficient. Write it. Write the numerical. Numerical means number. Write the numerical means number. Coefficient of. Coefficient means the term attached. Coefficient of. Write the numerical coefficients of. Write the numerical coefficients of first A 3p. 3p. Numerical coefficient means number attached to. Numerical coefficient means the number attached. So in 3p, 3, answer will be 3 because number is 3. That 3 is the number. So coefficient is 3. Numerical coefficient is 3. Numerical coefficient is 3. 3p. B 5 LMN. 5 LMN. What is the numerical coefficient? Tell me. 5. 5 LMN. What is the numerical coefficient? 5. So you write numerical coefficient. See here. Yesterday I had explained you the definition of coefficient. Coefficient means the term attached. The term attached means Radhe Krishna Sita Ram. So numerical coefficient. Please mute the microphone. Numerical coefficient, the number attached is 5. Numerical coefficient is 5. See, for everybody I am giving the explanation. if you don't listen my explanation afterward, if you ask, then it is I have to teach the whole class. So whole class has to listen properly. You can see the video, because for the whole class I am explaining. If I am solving the problem and if you ask the back problem, then it is very difficult. See, 3 upon 7 x square y. See, 3 upon 7 x square y. What is the numerical coefficient? Numerical means number. What is the numerical coefficient? 3 upon 7. So coefficient is numerical coefficient. No. That exponent, that power we do not consider. Power we do not consider in the numerical coefficient. Power we do not consider in the numerical coefficient. The numerical coefficient is the term attached to the variable. So 3 upon 7 is the number which is attached to x square y. So my numerical coefficient is 3 by 7. D is m. What you can write m? Tell me. What you can write m? No, m I can write 1 into m. 1 into m. M I can write 1 into m. So what is the numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient is 1. So coefficient is 1. Numerical coefficient is 1. Numerical coefficient is 1. Because m I can write 1 into m. Then E minus AB. Minus AB. What I can write? Minus 1 into AB. Into AB. Yes. So minus AB I can write minus 1 into AB. So what is my numerical coefficient? Minus 1. Minus AB means minus 1 into AB. So numerical coefficient is minus 1. My numerical coefficient is minus 1. My dear, everything, what I am doing, the same thing you have to do. So make the box everywhere, wherever I am making the box. So numerical coefficient means the number attached to the variable. Then f is minus 3 upon 8 PQR. Minus 3 upon 8 PQR. Minus 3 upon 8 PQR. So, yes, what is the answer? Minus 3 upon 8. So coefficient is, numerical coefficient is minus 3 upon 8. Because numerical coefficient means the number attached to the variable. Then a square BC. G is a square BC. That power we don't consider as the numerical coefficient. We consider the numerical coefficient 1, because a square BC I can write 1 into a square BC. 1 into a square BC. A square BC, they are variables. What is the number attached to this? 1. So coefficient is 1. The coefficient is 1. So numerical coefficient is 1. 1 only, yes. Numerical coefficient is 1 because a square BC, that power we don't consider in the coefficient. Cap we don't consider in the coefficient. We consider the number attached to the variable. Number only attached to the variable. Minus 4. Minus 4. Because there is no variable. Yes. Yes, ask. Where? No, my dear, that power we don't consider in the coefficient. What is coefficient? It is the number attached to the variable. 2 is in the power. Power we don't consider in the numerical coefficient. So minus 4. minus 4 because there is no variable. There is no variable. Minus 4 is a number, so I can take coefficient as minus 4 only. So coefficient of minus 4 is minus 4 because there is no variable involved in this. There is no variable involved in this, so I will take the over 9.2 get over. Now let me give you few problem for you to practice. G a square bc, a square bc, I can write 1 into a square bc because a square abc they are the variable. So a square bc I can write 1 into a square bc. Numerical coefficient is 1. Minus 4 is only a number. There is no variable involved in this. Variable means alphabet. So coefficient directly I will take. Yes. So coefficient of minus 4 will be minus 4. Numerical coefficient of minus 4. We are talking about numerical coefficient. My dear, when you want me to stop, then you say that board is not clear. It is very much clear. Right? Now, practice problem, write down. Okay. You see the internet, practice problem. Write down, practice test. First problem. Write the exponential form. Write in the exponential form. No, you have to write down in the class notebook. Write in the exponential form. Write in the class notebook only. Write in the exponential form. A. Write in the exponential form. A. 3 into A into A into, no, you have to do it right now. B into B into C. Then B, wait, minus 5 into L into, no, do it right now, into M into M into N into N. Then C 3 by 2 into P into Q into Q into Q into R. Then D, write down in the exponential form. No, you have to do it right now. Practice test. This is the classroom problem. No, my dear. 9.3 is there. No, 9.3 we have to solve. 9.2 is over. Then it is 7 by 5 into Q into R into R into R into R. Do it right now. Not 9.2 is over. 9.2 is over. Three you have to write. 3 should be written, no, because you want in the exponent form. So, this is just like placing a cap over the head. Writing in the exponential form is same as placing a cap over the head. Then write down. Maths notebook. Yes. Write in the product form. 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 A 3 n square n cube q square. without wasting time, start solving. No, you can write down the answer directly. No need to write down the question. Write down the answer directly. 7 by 3 p cube, p cube q, r square. Then see, write down in the product form. Write down in the product form is just like removing the cap from the head. Wait, there is nothing here. 3p raised to 4. Then d minus a raised to minus a raised to 15. E minus a raised to 50. Then E is minus p raised to 5. Start. Minus p raised to 5. Yes, ask the doubt. Yes. If the head is in the bracket, you have to write down that head in the bracket only. Is it clear? Power is nothing but my cap. Start solving. I want everybody to complete the problem in this period only. 3 minutes are there. 3 minutes are there. I want everybody to complete the problem in these 3 minutes. Completed. What is the answer of first? Bolo. Tell me the answer. Yes, everybody. No, everybody, 2 minutes are there. 2 minutes are there. You have to complete. 2 minutes are there. Complete it fast. Board is clear, my dear. Yes, it is extremely clear. Yes, very good. So you give a nice phrase, as clear as water. Yes. Solve it. Wrong. 3 multiplied by m 2 times. Multiplied by n 3 times. Multiplied by q 2 times. Because okay. M power Very good. And that 3p you have to write down in the bracket. Then you have to put the dot there. Minus a into minus a dot 15 times. 15 times. Very good. Then do E part. So what you write? Minus p raised to 5. See, whenever bracket is there, you have to write down in the bracket. First you will write down minus a 3 times, then you will put dot, last it is 15 times. Yes. You can write minus a into minus a, then dot 15 times. B is 7 by 3 into P 3 times into Q into R 2 times. That is the answer. Seven by three PQ Q into R is to 2. 7 by 3 PQ into Q into R raised to 2. So now it is 10:30. We stop here if you want. Bye everybody. Bye everybody. Take care. We are having fourth period. See you in the fourth period. See you all of you in the fourth period. Yes. Fourth period also. That I will tell you afterwards, not right now. Bye. See you in the fourth period. Fourth period also we are having today. Yes. See you in the fourth period. Bye.